Hi everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Hobby Hussy. Today I am making some modeling chocolate, but it's colored and flavored. The ingredients that you'll need are 12 ounces of candy melts and some extract and some light corn syrup. Now I take the candy melts and I microwave them for 30 seconds, stir it up, and then microwave for another 30 seconds, and I keep doing that until they're completely melted. Then I take the corn syrup and measure out a 1/4 cup, and then I put it into a microwave-safe bowl, and then I add the orange extract to give it a little bit more flavoring than just the candy melts have. And I've put in a 1/4 teaspoon of orange extract. Now, I didn't show it, but I did stir this up a little bit before I put it in the microwave for about 5 seconds. And when that is warmed up, I put it into the melted candy melts. Here I am, stirring it up very slowly, and you're just kind of folding it in. But stir very slowly, and this is not slowed down and it's not sped up. I wanted you to see exactly how long it takes and exactly how fast that you stir it. You can't be too rough with it. And I scrape the sides of the bowl quite a bit. But do you see how it's kind of thickening up a little bit? And this whole process probably took like 2 minutes, the stirring anyway. But keep going until it gets just a little bit thicker than this. And a lot of people call this soft serve ice cream, but right there is where I do it. And now I spread out some plastic wrap and I pour the modeling chocolate onto it and I flatten it out. And I think I took a bite of it here. Yep, it's gone. So you wrap it in the plastic wrap and you kind of smush it down a little bit to make it a little bit thinner so that it will harden. And I let this completely harden after I get it exactly how I want it. Did you hear how hard that was? It really knocks on the countertop. But now I unwrap it and I take off a little piece of it to test it and make sure it's going to be good. And it gets soft pretty much right away, but it is hard to start with. And I like smash it between my hands and let the warmth of my hands kind of soften it. And then you start kneading it. And do you see how it kind of tears a little bit when you rip it apart? That means it's not ready yet. It still needs more kneading. So I keep on kneading it. And I think I sped this up a little bit so that you wouldn't have to sit through all of it. But you can see how it gets softer and the tearing becomes less. When you tear it, it should not have like a jagged edge. Modeling chocolate doesn't stretch like fondant, but it shouldn't just tear like that either. As it goes on, you can see that my fingers, when they're indented, it's a nice clean indent instead of a jagged edge there. It's getting better, but we knead it until it's soft and pliable. And you can tell already. So I shaped mine into a square about the size of a sandwich. And I put it into a Ziploc sandwich size baggie. And then I put that into a piece of Tupperware that's also sandwich size. And you can use this in an hour or so, but you will have to knead it again when you need it. But that's it. Thank you for watching another Hobby Hussy video. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Bye-bye.